Welcome to maths class and today we'll do multiples and factors. So इस चैप्टर में हम मल्टीपल्स और फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Multiples and factors are helpful to find the LCM, that means least common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. LCM and HCF are very useful in some common activities. Suppose a milkman wants to measure the milk of 2 buckets exactly with the help of the container of maximum capacity. Let one bucket contain 15 milliliter of milk and the other bucket contain 18 liter of milk. So milkman needs a container of the maximum capacity which can measure the milk of both bucket. So उस केस में क्या करना होगा? अगर मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी है दैट मीन्स ही हैज टू फाइंड द HCF. सो इस चैप्टर में हम LCM, HCF, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ फैक्टर इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीपल्स. ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 गिव्स यू 2. 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4, 3 से करेंगे 6, 4 से करेंगे 8 लाइक दिस. So here 2 is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively to get the product 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are called the multiples of 2. Similarly, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. Clear? जैसे कि हम tables करते हैं. So it is clear from the above example. The multiples of the number is the product of a number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 जितने भी counting numbers है. So multiples are endless. Next, important facts about the multiples. Product of 2 or more number is the multiple of each of the number multiply. Like 70, that is equals to 5 into 7 into 2. So 70 किसका multiple हो जाएगा? 5 का भी multiple होगा, 7 का भी होगा, 2 का भी होगा. A number is the multiple of itself. 5 is the multiple of 5, 8 is the multiple of 8, 5 ones are 5. So 5 क्या हो जाएगा? अपना खुद का multiple हो जाएगा. So every number is multiple of itself. Every number is the multiple of 1. 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. 1 multiplied by 2 gives you 2. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. जितने भी multiples होंगे, either it is equal to that number or greater than that number. There are infinite numbers of multiples of the given number. किसी भी number के जो multiples है वो infinite होते हैं because we keep multiplying. Example लेते हैं. Write the first 5 multiples of the following. 7 के हमें 5 multiples लिखने हैं. So first हम क्या करेंगे? 7 को 1 से multiply करेंगे, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So multiples क्या हो जाएंगे? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. These are the first 5 multiples of 7. Clear? Next is factors. Look at the following. 30 divided by 1 gives you 30. 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. 30 को 3 से करेंगे तो 10, 5 से करेंगे तो 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. ये क्या है? These number divide with the given number 30 exactly. Means remainder क्या आ रहा है? 0. So these are called the factors of 30. So जितने भी number है 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are the factors of 30. So what is a factor? A number is the factor of another number in on dividing the second number by the first number, the remainder is 0. जो given number को exactly divide करे. या फिर a number divide exactly the other number, that the number is called the factors of the other number. Next is interesting relationship between multiples and factor. 20 that is equals to 4 into 5. 4 और 5 का product क्या है? 20. So 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5 both. 4 का भी multiple है, 5 का भी multiple है. And 4 and 5 क्या हो जाएंगे? 4 और 5 हो जाएंगे factors किसके? 20 के. Like 60 that is equals to 3 into 4 into 5. So 3, 4 and 5 ये क्या हो जाएंगे? 60 के factor and 60 is the multiple of 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Thus we can say when 2 or more numbers are multiplied, each number is the factor of the product and the product is the multiples of each of the given number. Now, properties of the factors. 1 is the factor of every number. 1 सभी number का factor होगा. Every non-zero number is the factor of itself. The factor of non-zero number is either less than or equal to the number. जो factors होंगे या तो वो क्या होंगे? जो least factor होता है किसी भी number का that is 1 and maximum क्या होगा? Number itself. There are finite numbers of factors. Means factors जो होते हैं limited होते हैं. Now we'll take an example here. Write the factors of 18. So we have to write the factors of 18. 2 into 9 that is 18. Clear? 3 into 6, 18. 1 into 18, 18. सो फैक्टर्स क्या हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. All these are factors of 18. Clear? Next is evolution time 4.1. Fill in the blanks. 8 into 6, that is equals to 48. So 48 is the multiples of 8 and 6 both. Clear? Next, write true or false. T for true and F for false. There are finite numbers of multiples of number, that is false because infinite numbers of multiples होते हैं. Write the first 5 multiples of the following. 6 के 5 multiples क्या हो जाएंगे 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Clear? Next, is 80 is the multiple of 10. So to find is the given number is multiple of the another number, what we have to do, हमें जो number है उसको जो given number से divide करना है. Means 80 को हम 10 से divide करेंगे, अगर exactly divide करता है that means it is the multiple of 10. So 80 को अगर हम 10 से divide करेंगे तो वो exactly divide कर रहा है, that means remainder 0 है, that means yes 80 is the multiple of 10. Next, write fourth multiple of 8. Fourth multiple 4 into 8, that is 32. Next, write all the factors of the following. So we have to write the factors of 24. So 24 का least factor that is 1. Now 2 से exactly divisible है तो 2 भी हो जाएगा, 3 से भी होता है, 4 से भी होता है, then 5 से नहीं होगा, then 2 और 3 अगर दोनों हैं that means 6 भी होगा, then 8 and 12 and 24. So all these are the factors of 24. Next, is 5 a factor of 60? 5 a factor of 60, तो 60 को हम क्या करेंगे 60 को डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से, exactly डिवाइड कर रहा है 5 into 12, that is equals to 60. That means yes 5 is the factor of 60. Clear? So इस तरीके से आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ 130. सो स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर इज 1, लार्जेस्ट इज 130. फाइंड द सम ऑफ द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड द लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ 225. स्मॉलेस्ट हो जाएगा 1 एंड लार्जेस्ट इज 225. सो 225 प्लस 1 226. नेक्स्ट is the second number is the factor of first number. So 584 divided by 4 exactly divide करेगा, that means yes it is the factor. Next, even and odd numbers. So numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 they are called the even number. Like 4, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, all these are even numbers. So number which are not exactly divisible by 2 जिसमें remainder बचता है वो क्या कहलाएंगे odd numbers. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, all these are odd numbers. Get it right. A number ending with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 means जिन भी number में हम ones के place पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 है they are even number. The number which have 1, 3, 5, 7 at one's place they are called odd numbers. Next is consecutive even and odd numbers. Consecutive means लगातार आने वाले. When the difference between two numbers is 2, they are called the consecutive even numbers. For example, 312 and 314. Difference क्या हो जाएगा 2. That means they are consecutive even numbers. When the difference between two odd numbers is 2, means तो वो क्या कहलाएंगे consecutive odd numbers. Like 287, 289. Difference निकालेंगे तो क्या आएगा 2. That means they are consecutive odd numbers. Next is prime number and composite numbers. So here you can see a table. Here the numbers are given and their factors are written here. So total number of factors are given here. So आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे टेबल में कुछ नंबर है जिनके only one factor हैं, कुछ नंबर जिनके two factors हैं and some number have more than two factors. So from the above table, number like 2, 3, 5 and 7 they have only two factors. And some number like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 they have more than two factors. So a number which are having exactly two different factors like 1 and the number itself like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 को अगर आप देखेंगे तो इनकी क्या only two factors है. So they are called the prime numbers. A number which are having more than two factors like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. So they are called composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite number because 1 have only one factor, that is 1. 2 is the only even prime number, rest all the prime numbers are odd. Next is twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers are called the twin prime numbers if their difference is 2. Two prime numbers जिनका difference क्या हो 2, वो कहलाएंगे twin prime numbers, like 3 and 5, 11, 13, 17 and 19, they are twin prime numbers. An easy way to find the prime number between 1 and 100, that is the sieve of Arsenis. इससे हम easily find out कर सकते हैं all the prime number between 1 and 100. This method is founded by a Greek mathematician. His name is Arsenis. So we call this method as sieve or Arsenis. sieve जैसे कि हम sieve क्या होता है छलनी, जिससे हम चीज़ छानते हैं तो कुछ चीज़ ऊपर आ जाती है कुछ नीचे आ जाती है. So this method is used to separate the prime and composite number. That's why it's called the sieve method, and it is founded by Arsenis. So we call it sieve of Arsenis. Now we have to prepare the table from 1 to 100. So what we'll do? Make a star. हमने यहाँ पे 1 से 100 तक नंबर लिख दिए हैं. Now make star on the 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now we will encircle 2. हम क्या करेंगे 2 को circle कर देंगे and because it is a prime number and cross out all the multiples of 2. 2 के जितने multiples है like 4, 6, 8, 12, हम जितने multiples है उनको cross कर देंगे. Now we encircle 3 because it is a prime number and we cross out all the multiples of 3. Then we encircle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5. Encircle 7, cross out all the multiples of 7. Now encircle each one of the remaining number. और जितने बाकी नंबर बच जाएंगे जो क्रॉस नहीं हुए हैं उनको हम encircle कर देंगे. So what will find out? जितने भी नंबर जो सर्कल हुए हैं they are prime numbers and the remaining numbers are composite numbers. So all these numbers given here, they are prime numbers. Now we'll take an example here. Which of the following numbers are prime? 28. So we know prime number have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. But 28 के factors क्या हो जाएंगे? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. More than 2 factor, that means it is not a prime number. Next is prime factorization. Prime factorization is writing a number as the product of the prime number. किसी भी number को prime number के product के form में लिखना, that is called prime factorization. So there are two methods. One is factor tree method and another is division method. तो सबसे पहले हम लेंगे factor tree method. Procedure: divide the given number into two factors such a way that one is a prime and other is composite number. Again हम split करेंगे जो composite number है such a way कि एक prime हो और दूसरा composite हो, and we'll keep dividing until we'll get all the prime numbers. So this process continues till all the numbers may not prime. Like find the prime factorization of 150 and 340. Factor tree method का use करेंगे 150 को. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे 2 is a prime number, तो हम split करेंगे 2 divide करेंगे 2 से, so we'll get 75. Now 75 is composite number. Again हम इसको divide करेंगे because 75 is not divisible by 2. तो next prime number is 3. 3 से divide करेंगे get 25. Now 3 is a prime number, 25 is composite number. Again हम split करेंगे 5 से divide करेंगे get 5. Now 5 is prime numbers. So prime factorization हो जाएगा 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Clear? Common error. Sometimes student take prime factors of 18, that is equals to 2 into 9. But it is wrong because 9 is not a prime number. हमें जितने भी number लेने prime number लेने. यहाँ पे 9 क्या है? 9 is not a prime number. Next method is division method. In this method, we divide the given number by the least possible prime number. This procedure continue till the quotient appear to be the prime number. Example समझते हैं. Find the prime factorization of 200. 200 का prime factorization करेंगे the least prime number by which it is divisible, that is 2. 2 से divide करेंगे 100. Again हम 2 से divide करेंगे like 50. 2 से divide करेंगे 25. Now 25 is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. 3 से भी नहीं divisible है. Next is 5. 5 से divisible है. So 5 time हो जाएगा. Again 5 से करेंगे we'll get 1. Clear? So prime factorization क्या हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is equals to 200. Clear? Next is evaluation time 4.2. Write T for true and F for false. 1 is a prime number, that is false. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next, separate even and odd number from the following numbers. So we have to separate the first number. Here 3 at one's place, that is it is odd number. यहाँ पे 2 है वंस की प्लेस पे, दैट इज इवन नंबर। तो इस तरीके से हम इवन एंड ऑड नंबर्स को सेपरेट कर देंगे। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर प्राइम नंबर? First number is 37. 37 have only two factors, 1 and 37, so it is a prime number. Write all the prime numbers between 12 and 40. 12 and 40 के बीच के हमें जितने भी प्राइम नंबर हैं वो लिखने हैं, like 13, then 17, 19, clear? So इस तरीके से हमें जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं वो लिखने हैं। Write all the composite number between 30 and 50. So 30 and 50 के बीच के जितने भी composite numbers हैं वो हमें लिखने हैं। प्राइम नंबर को छोड़ के जितने भी नंबर होंगे वो क्या हो जाएंगे? कॉम्पोजिट, लाइक 32, देन 34, 35, 36, इस तरीके से जितने भी कॉम्पोजिट नंबर हैं टिल 50 वी हैव टू राइट दैट। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स आर ट्विन प्राइम? फर्स्ट पेयर इज 11, 13, देयर डिफरेंस इज 2, दे आर प्राइम नंबर, सो इट इज ट्विन प्राइम नंबर। नेक्स्ट, राइट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर बाय फैक्टर ट्री मेथड। So we have to do the prime factorization 20 using factor tree method. 2 से करेंगे get 10. Now 10 को हम करेंगे 2 से will get 5. So now 5 is a prime number, तो prime factorization क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 5. Clear? Next, write the prime factorization of following by division method. So यहाँ पे हमें division method का use करना है। 90 least prime number जिससे divisible है that is 2, 45. Now 3, 15. So 90 का prime factorization है 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Clear? So practice all the questions of given exercise. Next is test of divisibility. With the help of divisibility test, we can find whether the given number is divisible by another number or not without doing actual division. So यहाँ पे हम actually divide किए बिना ही find out कर सकते हैं कि जो given number से जो दूसरा नंबर वो divisible है या नहीं। This method save our time. So सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं divisibility test for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if ones की place पे उस पर 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 है, that means the given number is divisible by 2. Like 20, 634, 20 में क्या है? वंस की प्लेस पे 0 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 6 है, so all these numbers are divisible by 2. Next is divisibility by 3. The number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the number is divisible by 3. For example, हम एक नंबर लेते हैं 7236, sum of digits 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 that is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3, that means the given number is divisible by 3. Next is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digit at ones place and tens की place की digit वो जो मिला के जो digit बनेगी that is divisible by 4, that means the given number is divisible by 4. So 7248 digit at ones and tens place, that makes 48. 48 is divisible by 4, that means the given number is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility by 5. If the number have 0 or 5 at ones place, that means the given number is divisible by 5. So all the number which have 0 or 5 at ones place, they are divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. तो 2 और 3 दोनों से divisible है, that means वो 6 से divisible है. Suppose we'll consider number 3468. यहाँ पे ones की place पे 8 है, that means the given number is divisible by 2. 3 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Sum of digit 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. So that means the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, that means it is divisible by 6. Clear? Next is divisibility by 7. Remove the last digit and double it. Subtract it from the remaining number. Continue until only one digit remain. If it is 0 or 7 or 14, means 7 का multiple है, that means the given number is divisible by 7. Suppose we'll consider number 14,378. So remove the last digit. Last digit क्या है? 8 and we'll double it, that is 16. और जो remaining digit है 1437 में से 16 subtract करेंगे. Clear? So we'll get 1421. Now the last digit is 1. 1 को double करेंगे 2. 142 में से 2 subtract करेंगे. Clear? So what will get? 140. Clear? Now last digit 0 है, 0 का double भी करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0. So 14 minus 0, that means 14. That means the given number is divisible by 7. Clear? Next is divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digit at 1's place, 10's place and 100 place. इन तीनों को मिला के जो digit बनेगी अगर वो 8 से divisible है, that means the given number is divisible by 8. In the given number, last 3 digit क्या है? 288. 288 is divisible by 8, that means the given number is divisible by 8. Next is divisibility by 9. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit is divisible by 9. Consider a number. यहाँ पे हमने एक नंबर लिया है, सम ऑफ डिजिट 5 + 6 + 3 + 2 + 4 + 7, that is 27, and 27 is divisible by 9, that means the given number is divisible by 9. Get it right. A number which is divisible by 9 is also divisible by 3. अगर कोई नंबर है जो 9 से divisible है वो 3 से भी divisible होगा, बट ये ज़रूरी नहीं है that a number is divisible by 3 is also divisible by 9. Clear? Next is divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. अगर किसी भी नंबर में ones की प्लेस पे 0 है, that means the given number is divisible by 10. Get it right. The number which is divisible by 10 is also divisible by 5 because 5 से कौन से नंबर divisible होते हैं जिनमें ones की प्लेस पे 0 है, 5 होता है. अगर 0 है that means वो 10 से divisible है तो 5 से भी divisible होंगे. Now we'll take an example here. Write the smallest digit in the blank space to make it divisible by 3. So हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ blank space पे ऐसे डिजिट लिखनी है जिससे ये नंबर है वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाए. सो 3 से कौन से नंबर डिविजिबल होते हैं, जहाँ सम ऑफ डिजिट जो होता है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. सम ऑफ डिजिट हियर इज 2 + 4 + 3 + 8 + 4, दैट इज 22. नॉट 22 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. अब हमें पता है कि अब हमें यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई डिजिट ऐड करनी है. वी नो 24 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 ऐड कर देंगे. जो ब्लैंक स्पेस है अगर हम यहाँ पे 2 कर दें तो सम ऑफ डिजिट क्या हो जाएगा, 22 + 2 24, दैट मीन्स जो हमारा नंबर है वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एवोल्यूशन टाइम 4.3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 2, 4 and 8? सो हियर द डिजिट एट वन प्लेस इज 4, दैट मीन्स इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 4 से क्या होगा, 34 is not divisible by 4, that means it is not divisible by 4. Now 8 से divisible के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 634, 3 डिजिट राइट हैंड साइड से 100 10s and 1s की प्लेस की. इसको 8 से डिवाइड करके देखेंगे, 56, that means it is कट कर 2, that means यहाँ पे हमारा रिमाइंडर रह रहा है, that means ये 8 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 3 and 9? सम ऑफ डिजिट करेंगे 5 + 7 + 2 + 2 + 2, 12 to 14, 16 and 18. That means it is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Next is, which of the following number are divisible by 6? अगर given number 2 and 3 दोनों से divisible है, that means 6 से भी divisible है. Here the digit have 0 at one's place, that is it is divisible by 2. Now 3 के लिए हम चेक करेंगे 2 + 4 + 6 + 7 + 9. 4 + 2 6, 6 6 12. And 16, 28. That means it is not divisible by 3. That means the given number is not divisible by 6. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 7? So the given number is 7 से हमें क्या करना है, डिविजिबल के लिए जो लास्ट डिजिट है उसको रिमूव करना है, उसको डबल करना है. सो 4 का डबल हो जाएगा 8. हम इसमें से जो रिमेनिंग डिजिट है उसमें से हम क्या करेंगे, 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Now 674, लास्ट डिजिट इज 8, इसमें से हम 16 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 658. लास्ट डिजिट इज 8, 65 minus 16, that is equals to 49. Clear? Now 49 is divisible by 7, that means the given number is divisible by 7. Next, which of the following number are divisible by 5 and 10? So first number, it has 5 at ones place. That means it is divisible by 5 but not by 10. This number have 0 at ones place. That means it is divisible by 5 and 10 both. Clear? Next, write the smallest digit in the blank space to make it the given number divisible by 3. तो sum of digit हम find it करेंगे 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4. 10, 12. ये जो है 10 plus 2, 22 and 24. Now 24 is divisible by 3, so we can put 0 here. So sum change नहीं होगा. That means हमारा जो नंबर है वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर और HCF. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 2 or more number is the greatest number that divide all the number without leaving any remainder. So there are 3 methods to find the HCF: common factor method, prime factorization method and continual long division method. ये 3 मेथड है HCF फाइंड आउट करने के. HCF को हम GCD भी कहते हैं, दैट मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर. फर्स्ट मेथड लेते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर मेथड. प्रोसीजर: फर्स्ट विल फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ ऑल द गिवन नंबर. नाउ विल फाइंड आउट द कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. उसमें से जो हाईएस्ट है वो हम लेंगे, वो HCF हो जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. फाइंड द HCF 18, 40 बाय कॉमन फैक्टर मेथड. सो फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18 एंड देन 40. अगर हम कॉमन फैक्टर देखें तो 1 एंड 2, उसमें से हाईएस्ट कौन सा है? 2. दैट मीन HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 2. नेक्स्ट मेथड, prime factorization method. In this method, we'll find the prime factorization of given number, take the common factor of all the numbers and multiply them. That product is the HCF of given numbers. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 40, 60 and 120. तो prime factorization हमने कैसे करते हैं सीखा था, तो हमने इस तरीके से prime factorization कर लिया. Now we'll find all the common factor. तो common factor क्या हो जाएंगे? 2, 2 and 5. And the product is 20. तो 20 क्या हो जाएगा? HCF. Next method is continual long division method. In this method, divide the larger number by the smaller number. Obtain the remainder is considered the new divisor and the first divisor is the new dividend. Continue this process till the remainder becomes 0. Thus the last divisor is HCF. Example समझते हैं. Find the HCF of 80 and 130. तो हम जो greater number है उसको smaller number से divide करेंगे. Means 130 divided by 80. So 1 टाइम हो जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 80 विल गेट 50. नाउ जो 50 हमने किया है, 50 हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? न्यू डिवाइजर. 80 हमारा बन जाएगा न्यू डिविडेंड. क्लियर? 1 टाइम हो जाएगा 50, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 30. 30 हमारा डिवाइजर बन जाएगा एंड 50 विल बिकम आवर डिविडेंड. क्लियर? इस तरीके से हम डिवाइड करते रहेंगे अंटिल वी गेट 0. लास्ट स्टेप, यहाँ पे हमें 0 मिलेगा. सो लास्ट डिवाइजर हमारा क्या था? 10. तो 10 क्या हो जाएगा? HCF. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice all the examples. ये सारे examples आप practice करेंगे. Next is evolution time 4.4. Find the HCF of following by common factor method. So factors of 4 that are 1, 2 and 4. 6 के factor हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3 and 6. Common factors are 1 and 2. So HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 2. Clear? सो इस तरीके से सारे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं आपको. नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द HCF फॉलोइंग बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में हम सबसे पहले 25 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. 5, 5, 1. नाउ 95 का. फाइव 90. नाउ कॉमन फैक्टर अगर हम देखें तो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? 5. दैट मीन HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 5. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द HCF फॉलोइंग बाय कंटिन्यूड लॉन्ग डिविजन मेथड. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 12 एंड 20. सो बिगर नंबर क्या है? 20 को हम 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 12 1s are 12. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, विल गेट 8. नाउ 8 इज आवर डिवाइजर एंड 12 हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? डिविडेंड, न्यू डिविडेंड. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, विल गेट 4 एंड 8 इज आवर न्यू डिवाइजर. सो लास्ट डिवाइजर जो था 4 था, तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा? 4. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, शो दैट द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स आर को-प्राइम. सो को-प्राइम आर द नंबर्स which have only one common factor, that is 1. Clear? 40 and 53 में अगर हम common factor देखेंगे तो 1 के अलावा और कोई common factor नहीं है, that means they are the pair of co-prime numbers. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is lowest common multiples or LCM. Lowest common multiple of two or more number is the smallest of their common multiples. So LCM क्या होता है? LCM of two or more number is the smallest number which is divisible by all given number. Again 3 methods से find out करने के, common multiple method, prime factorization method and common division method. First method लेते हैं हम common multiple method. In this method first we'll find the multiples of the given number, write the common multiples of each given number and उसमें से जो smallest multiple है वो find out करेंगे, that will be the LCM. Example लेते हैं, find the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So we'll write the multiples of 3, 4 and 6. So now we have to find the common multiples. Common multiples अगर हम देखें 3, 4 और 6 की टेबल में, that is 12, 24. Now the smallest is 12. तो LCM क्या हो जाएगा? 12. Clear? Next, prime factorization method. Find the prime factorization method में क्या होंगे? Find the prime factorization of each of the given number. Find the product of all common and uncommon factors. And जो product आएगा वो LCM होगा. Example लेते हैं. Find the LCM of 80 and 140. 80 और 140 का हमने prime factorization किया. Now LCM क्या होगा? जो common factors है. Common factors are 2, 2 and 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. Uncommon factor कौन कौन से? 2 into 2 into 7. इनका प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा 560. दैट इज द LCM ऑफ गिवन नंबर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज कॉमन डिविजन मेथड. इन दिस मेथड अरेंज ऑल द नंबर्स इन अ लाइन इन एनी ऑर्डर यूजिंग द कॉमा टू सेपरेट दैम. डिवाइड द प्राइम नंबर विच डिवाइड एग्जैक्टली एटलीस्ट 2 ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स. राइट द क्वोशिएंट of the divisible number and carry undivisible number as it is in the next line. Repeat this process until we get the line number 111. Now the product of all the divisor, that is the required LCM. Example लेते हैं. We have to find the LCM of 64, 96, 120, 144. So इस तरीके से अपने नंबर को लिख दिया. Now we'll divide, ऐसा प्राइम नंबर लगे जो एटलीस्ट 2 नंबर को डिवाइड करे. सो 2 यहाँ पे सारे नंबर्स को डिवाइड करा है. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे विल गेट 32, 48, 60 एंड 72. अगेन 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 16, 24, 13, 36. अगेन 2 से करेंगे विल गेट 8, 12, 15 एंड 18. नाउ अगेन 2 से करेंगे बिकॉज 2 8 को भी डिवाइड करेगा एंड 12 को भी करेगा और 18 को भी करेगा. 15 को नहीं करेगा, सो एज इट इज़ लिख देंगे. सो इस तरीके से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. लास्ट में हमें क्या मिल रहा है? या तो 1 या सारे प्राइम नंबर्स. सो प्रोडक्ट हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 3. दैट इज 2880. ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? LCM. नेक्स्ट इज evolution time 4.5. Find the LCM of the following number by common multiple method. So first we have to find the multiples of 4 and 6. 4 3s are 12. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 18. Now least common कौन सा है? 12. So LCM क्या हो जाएगा? 12. Clear? Next, find the LCM of the following number by prime factorization method. 10 and 12. 10 का हम prime factorization करेंगे. And next number is 18. So LCM, that is equals to product of all the common and uncommon number. So LCM common numbers कौन से हैं? 2, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. That means 90. Clear? Next, find the LCM of following number by common division method. So we have to find the LCM of 24, 60 and 80. 24, 60 and 80. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे सबसे पहले हम 12, 30 and 40. अगेन 2 से करेंगे 20, अगेन 2 से करेंगे 3, 15 and 10. Now we'll divide it by 3, 1, 5 and 10. Now we'll divide it by 5, 1, 1, 2. So LCM हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. Clear? The product will be the LCM. So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is properties of HCF and LCM. The HCF of the given number is smaller than or equal to the smallest number. For example, HCF of 10, 15 and 20 is 5. And HCF क्या हो जाएगा 4, 8 and 12 का क्या हो जाएगा 4, जो भी smallest number होगा. The HCF of 2 co-prime number is 1. Like 3 and 5 co-prime number है, HCF क्या हो जाएगा 1. The HCF of the given number is always the factor of LCM and HCF is the multiple of HCF of the given number. Like HCF of 12 and 21 is 7 और LCM क्या हो जाएगा 42. Clear? It is clear that HCF 14 क्या है फैक्टर किसका LCM जो कि क्या है 42 and LCM is the multiple of HCF. The LCM of the given number is greater than or equal to the larger number. For example, LCM of 12, 24 and 36 is 72 and 5, 10 and 20 is 20. The LCM of two co-prime number is equal to their product. Co-prime number है तो उनका product जो होगा वो उसका LCM होगा like LCM of 5 and 8 that is equals to 40. Now look back. A factor of a number and the number which divide the number exactly without leaving any remainder. 1 is the factor of every number. The factor of the given number is always less than or equal to the given number. The multiple of the natural number is the number formed by the multiplying that number by any natural number. Every number is the multiple itself. Every multiples of the number is either greater than or equal to the number. The number which have exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself, they are called the prime numbers. The number which have more than two factors, they are called composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor. All the prime numbers are odd except 2. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2, they are called twin prime. Co-prime have 1 as the common factor. A perfect number is equal to the sum of all their factors, not including the number itself. The greater number, which is the common factor of 2 or more number, is called the highest common factor or HCF. The smallest number that can be divided the given number exactly without leaving any remainder is called the lowest common multiple or LCM. Let's recall. So all these questions are based on the concept we have done in the chapter. So you have to practice all the questions given here. Next is mental zone. If a number is divisible by 10, it is also be divisible by 5. Clear? Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. 7 is the factor of. 7 is the factor of 49. C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.